2026. I'm here in Noto, Ishikawa, Japan. Big earthquake hit Noto. This area was heavily damaged. Release your emotions. Those who got affected. Including mountains, rivers, roads. Trees. Those who got affected. Release your emotions. Bound their emotions. Release your grief. Kick on fall. Wash out their emotions. Feel their energy bodies. Enlighten them. Canon, take them to the next step. Let's go.